micro planting, micro top dressing, and our crop fuel called crop boost.
Sam Kaheru Barongo hamwe na Shifia Wycliffe bo n'abahinzi b'ebicori mu district ya Kiryandongo beino kwerareserera abo kugira ngo season egi babaso butaganyirwa misaruro yabo no barabe bahinjira mu bwinzi abo kugira ngo akabeyi k'ebicori kari hansi munonga aba nibashobora bagira ngo batamusente nyinzi umukwinga ngo konka tabeine tibaru kuganyirwamo.
We are facing a challenge of price fluctuation. Like the last year, up to now, maize, people have been buying maize less than 600 per kilogram. And you find yourself in growing maize, it is costly.
Now, our request to government may be they should at least register us under insurance, because we waste a lot but we get nothing. For example, drought, if we were registered under insurance, at least they could help us to cover what we have lost.
Samu na Wycliffe tubo bahinzi b'ebicoro bonka aberarikirire mu district ya Masindi. Kral Jennifer hamwe nayo Samu binkamanyire nabo bekoreye emikono bari kugira ngo ebeyi y'ebicoro neza kubata omukuferwa omusizonegi. Abahabw'Okugwa nibenda government ya Uganda eyumukiremu ebatereho buryo obukurebeka ngo ebeyi y'ebicori yaterera otereho no kugira ngo n'ebeyi y'embazi erikumanywa nk'ebigimusa eyibari kukozesa eshume otereho no kugira ngo n'embazi y'ebicupuri eri omu katare ka Uganda nayo bateho buryo obukurebeka ngo bagiha akatare.
According to me, if the government could also reduce the prices of the inputs and increase the price of maize, so that we shall get more from what we have put in the garden.
But what is really paining me are the challenges I'm facing in this field. One is the price fluctuation. I have the capacity to produce. I produce a lot, but the price, you find I'm selling at a low price when I'm putting in a lot of money.
Abahinzi aba bayo Okwebeeyi kwabo babatayira hafamu ya asili irukushangwa mu district ya Masindi ukwaba kutebekanisiwa bayara Uganda n'ekigenderwa cyo kutunga ebitekateko by'abahinzi b'ebicori ambazi ibari kukozesa omukwinga. Bigambo bye John Isekama urukora n'ekitongore cya yara yashobora ngo bwahati mbazi y'ebicupuri minja akatare ka Uganda atyo kwehanangiriza abahinzi okugumana bataho umutima babantu bagure mbazeji.
Very many issues that lead to prices of fertilizers increasing. One, we have the transportation costs. In fertilizers we call that freight. Fuel, transporting fertilizers. Our fertilizers as Yara, we import them from Europe. We pick them from Norway, we pick them from Denmark, Finland, and then the raw materials for also manufacturing these blends also come from outside. Access to quality fertilizers. In this case, I'm speaking about counterfeits. We have a number of counterfeits in the country, and then when they see people are having a very good quality fertilizer, they end up chipping in with some other. They add in maybe soil, which can end up degrading the quality of the fertilizer.
Amakuraga gashakwa gada saba Sky TV agenshonga muri Masindi.